Say hello to the Warehouse Chapel Hill, a handsome student pad with style, comfort, and campus access beyond compare. Choose from charming non-ensuites or 2 and 3 bedroom apartments featuring oversized windows, faux wood flooring, pendant lighting, floor-to-ceiling closets, stainless steel appliances for extra luxury, cable for endless entertainment, and in-unit facilities for effortless laundry. Your rent covers all utilities, including warp-speed internet, so no extra costs. Study in shared workspaces, stay active in the fitness center, and recharge with coffee from the complimentary bar. Unwind on the rooftop lounge or relax in hammocks in the natural area. Pets are welcome, so bring your furry companion along. With on-site management, 24-hour emergency maintenance, and covered parking in a secure access building, life runs smoothly. The University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill is a short walk away, and Duke University's Fuqua School of Business is minutes by car. Plus, nearby buses on Mitchell Lane, West Rosemary Street, and West Franklin Street make transit seamless. Secure your student life at the Warehouse Chapel Hill via amberstudent.com today